Welcome back to my channel, student. Dear student, hope you are enjoying the video related to mathematical tools which I have been uploaded in YouTube. And in this video, my fourth video, this is my fourth lecture, which is based on the limit and derivative. In this video, we will discuss about what is limit, because it is very helpful for your physics. So here, see, I have written some definition initially because to save data and time. So first of all, I will start my video with the definition of function. See, what is a function? You are very familiar with the function in your previous classes, but I think you are not aware about the definition of function. So we can write here the definition of function. If one variable, variable. So if one variable depend on the value of other variable, then we can say that the first variable is the function of second. So here the same definition I write. If the value of one variable, suppose this is our variable y, depend on the value of other variable, suppose this is our variable x, so then we can say that the first is means that the first variable is the function of second variable. So we can write in simple way y is the function of x. So this is the definition of any function, means that if one variable depend on the value of the other variable, then we can say that the first variable is the function of the second variable. So after that, when we talk about the limit of a function, see, this is very important topic for you. When we talk about the limit of a function, then we can say that in the definition, limit of a function is the fundamental concept of calculus. Here I talk you what is calculus. Calculus contain basically in your 11th and 12th standard, calculus contain two parts. First is differentiation and second one is integration. Clear? And basically the calculus is the part of mathematics. It means that we can say that branch of maths. It is a branch of maths in which we discuss about two main part, integration and differentiation. So see here, I repeat the definition again. Limit of a function is the fundamental concept of calculus, and analysis the behavior of that. Analysis the behavior of that means behavior of a function. Clear? Analysis the behavior of that function near a particular point. Near a particular point, if I explain this definition, so I will take here, suppose a function y is equal to fx, which is equal to 3x, and I want to calculate, or you can say that I want to check the behavior of this function with three values which are like this. Means that three values I said, it means that we will check the behavior of function at x equal to 1 and their neighborhood values. Neighborhood value means very close values of 1. So I will check here the value of function fx with the value of x equals to 1, and the function we will check here at x plus h. This is your neighborhood values. This is also x minus h. And if you want to know, it means that if you want to know what is the behavior of function in these neighborhood values, value of h is tends to 0. So if I want to write numerically the value of h, so I can write here h is equals to 0.0001, which is tends to 0. This is very small value. So we can say that this is tends to 0. So I will check the value of the given function fx equal to 3x in these three values. So I will write here the points a, b, c. Means first of all I will check the values of the given function in these three values, then we will see that what is the analytic behavior of the function we will obtain. So this is the basic definition of the limit of a function. So after this, first of all, some discussion about what is the type of function here. See, as you know that the previous definition of function, function means that if one variable depend on the value of other variable, then we can say that the first variable is the function of second variable. So here we have in mathematics 5 functions. After this explanation I will solve this question, just wait. So see, we have 5 function. ILATE formula means short trick to learn the function is ILATE formula. I means inverse, L means logarithm, A means algebra, T means trigonometric, E means exponential. These are the functions which are very helpful in sequence in case of integration part. So here when we talk about inverse function means that the function which you will see like these term. And similarly the logarithm function y is equals to log ex time. And if I read this inverse function, then how we will read it? Y is equal to sine inverse x, y is equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Here x and y both are different functions, and y is the function of here x and y is the function of here x. But the whole function is an inverse function. So this is their symbol, or you can say that representation of inverse function. After this, the logarithm function, when we talk y is equal to log ex. So see here, third one is algebra, which is very familiar with you. So y is equal to 2x square plus 6, 3x square and so on, 3x cube and so on. Similarly, the trigonometric function y is equal to sin x and y is equal to sin x. If I write here y is equal to sin x, what is the meaning of this? It means that y is the function of x. X is the first variable and y is the second, which is depend on x in term of trigonometric function. So we can say that y is equal to sin x, and on the other hand when we write here y is equals to tan x, it means that theta is any other function. It is our initial function and y depends on theta, so we can say that y is our second function and theta is our first. So y depends on theta, it means that y is the function of theta. So this is the other matter. I am representing this y in term of trigonometric function. So y is equal to tan theta is a function which is related to trigonometry, and after that I will write here last exponential function, in which you will see the question like this: y is equal to e raised to the power x, y is equal to a raised to the power x. And after that, like these terms much more, y is equal to a raised to the power x plus b raised to the power minus x, b e raised to the power minus x. So these type of functions are called exponential. E means exponential function. Clear? And the value of e is near about 2.29232. It is near about the value of 2.23 and so. So after this discussion about the type of functions, we clear. First of all, I will repeat the all function. You know what is the meaning of function? It means that if one variable depend on the value of the other, then first variable is called function of second. And here I discuss 5 type of function in mathematics. And after that, the definition of limit of function, in which you will see that the limit of a function is a fundamental concept of calculus and analysis behavior, clear, of that function near the particular point. It means that here I will calculate the behavior of this function. What is the change? What will be the change in this function if I will substitute the value of, you can say that if I will substitute the neighborhood values of a given value x equals to 1. Neighborhood means that substitute here small greater value than 1 here, and after that small lesser value than 1 here, and I will check the value of function. We will see that at final the value of the function is just near equal to the value of the function fx at x equals to 1. Then after we can say that the limit value of this function is equal to the exact value of this function at x equal to 1. Clear? So see, I will write here, since we have a function f is equals to 3x, so you know that h is equals to what? 0.000, 4 times 0, so 0. And I want to write the value of function fx at x equals to 1. So I will see here, first the value of function at fx equals to 1 is 3 into 1, which is equals to 3. And after that I will check the value of function of their right hand. See here, I will write here right hand side neighborhood value, and this one is the left hand side neighborhood value. So I will check the value of function, these right side neighborhood value and left side neighborhood value. So see here, x plus h means here x equals to 1. So I will substitute 1 plus h, means that 1 plus 0.401. So I will get here 1.00001. So after substitution, as you know that f1, if suppose I have a function fx equals to 3x, so the value of this function at x equals to 1 is this. Similarly, the value of this function at this whole value is, see here, 1.00001 is equals to 3 into 1.00001. So after multiplication of these all, we will get 3.00003. Clear point? Student, see, this is the value which is near to the value of 3. Means this value approach to the value of 3. Similarly, we will calculate here the value less than, means that similarly we will calculate here the value which is left side of the value x equals to 1, means we will calculate here left side neighborhood value. So see here student, when we write it like that, x minus h, clear? So it will form 1 minus 0.0001. So I will get 0.99999. So I will substitute the value here. So see, the value of function is 3 into, see, you will substitute the value 0.99999, 5 times of 9. Here you will get the value here 2.99997, which is also equals to, near about equals to 3, means that this value also approaches to 3. So we will see that here the behavior of this function fx equals to 3 in these 3 value, and the conclusion is that the value of this function at x equals to 1 and the value of this function at their right side neighborhood values and left side neighborhood values contain least difference. Clear student? So we can write here limit x tends to 1 of this function, means that the function value at limit x tends to 1 approximate equal. So we can write this value limit x tends to 1 fx is equals to f1. If this condition comes after solving the calculation, then we can say that this function, then we can say that existence of this function, existence of the function at x equals to 1. This is the solution in term of limit for this function. After this, I have written some question for you in which I will solve the function, means that these are the function. I will solve these function in the given limiting value here. Let us assume x equals to 4. So after the solution of this function, you will understand how we will solve the problem related to limit, and after solving this, we will see that these two are the complicated problem in which we are not able to get the answer on putting the values of x equals to 3 and x equals to pi by 4 directly in these questions, because when we substitute the value of these x equals to 3 and x equals to pi by 4 on these equation, we will get not determined form, means that not determined form, or you can say not defined form. One more word, you can say that not defined form. So when these questions are not able to solve directly on substituting the value of x equals to 3 and x equals to pi by 4, then we use here one important formula, or you can say important rule, which is called L'Hopital rule, which you will discuss in BSc Mathematics. And also this rule is also useful in class 11th and 12th limit and derivatives problem. Clear student? So first of all, I will solve these two problems. After that, I will come here. So see, when the problems are very simple, means that on substituting the value of this x equals to 4 or x equals to 3, these are called limiting values, means that particular point in which we are discussing the limit definition. So when we substitute these values directly and we get a particular answer, not 0 upon 0 and not infinity upon infinity, and this type of problem we will solve directly here. So see, after substituting the value x equals to 4 in this, we will get 2 into 4 square plus 5. We will see here 2 into 16 plus 5. After that we will get 16 to the 32 plus 5, 37. And similarly on the other manner, we will see here at x equals to 3, see, we will again substitute the direct value of x equal to 3 in the given problem, because it will also has a particular solution. So I will substitute here 5 into 3 square plus 6, then you will get 9 plus 6, 45 plus 6, which will be equals to 51. So these are the particular solution at a particular value. But in this problem, you will see here how we will solve this type of problem with the help of L'Hopital rule. First of all, I will try to solve this problem in direct manner as I have done in previous two cases. So see here what you will do. First of all, if you want to substitute the value of x equals to 3 here directly, then what you will get, see, 3 square minus 9, 3 minus 3, it means that 9 minus 9 upon 3 minus 3, it will give us 0 upon 0, not defined, or you can say not determined. We cannot determine the value of this. So similarly, again I will try in second. So see here, cos, you can say here one mistake, I wrote this question pi by 4 here. So what I will do, I will write here the variable first. Clear student? I will write here variable first. So see, in place of x, if I want to write direct pi by 4, so what I will do, minus sine square pi by 4, cos pi by 4 minus sine pi by 4. Then you will see the value of cos pi by 4, 1 by root 2, and here square, it will give us 1 by 2. Again it will give us 1 by 2, sin pi by 2 also 1 by 2. So here 1 by root 2, here also 1 by root 2. When we try to solve this, we will get 0 upon 0, which is again not, it implies not determined form. It is also not determined form. So what we will do for their solution? So this type of problems, these two and more problem which are related to this problem, which will get us 0 upon 0 or infinity upon infinity form with the help of L'Hopital rule. So I will explain here in front of you the definition and the working process of the L'Hopital rule. So see here, for the solution of the problem related to the limits, we use this rule. Two condition to apply this rule. First, the function, means that first function should be 0 upon 0. Then we will solve then we will use L'Hopital rule. And if the function is infinity upon infinity, after substituting the value, then we will use L'Hopital rule. Remaining all other function, means that suppose the function, after substituting the value, the answer of function 1 upon 0, it means that the value is infinity, or suppose 0 upon 1, it is 0. So then the value is determined. But this type of problem, when comes in the question, then we will use L'Hopital rule. So see here, working process, how we will use, for any limit extends to fx, on substituting x equals to a in the given function directly, means that when we substitute the value of x equals to a in the given function directly and we get 0 upon 0, first case, two condition, means first condition if we get 0 upon 0, second infinity upon infinity, it means that not determined form. Clear? Then we will solve first the given function and make it determined. Means how we will make it determined? Now the solution of the function will not 0 upon 0 and infinity upon infinity. It means that after solving this, after solving this function by the previous knowledge of yours, you will get a determined form, limit value in the given function to get the solution. So here, after that, I will tell you how we will solve this question and this question with the help of L'Hopital rule. Now student, I will solve these two problems which will give us non-determined form, and we will substitute the value of a particular point directly. So here, how we will solve? With the help of L'Hopital rule. See, first we will solve this function and make it simple. Limit x tends to 3, x square minus 9 upon x minus 3. See, you know that you can easily simplify this function with the help of your previous knowledge. So what you will do for this? See here, x square minus 9, it means that 9 is a square of 3. So in place of this, we can write here square of 3. So this equation is converted into in this form. So after this, you will see here what you will do. Limit x tends to 3, a square minus b square you will use, and you know that it is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So I will write these two solution like this. X minus 3 means a plus b, a minus b upon this x minus 3. After cancellation these two, we will get limit x tends to 3, x plus 3. Now see, this is the simplified form of this function. Now if you check, you can check the value of this function x plus 3, which you will get after simplification of this function with the help of L'Hopital rule. On substituting this particular point value, but you will get either 0 upon 0, infinity upon infinity, or a particular value. So we will check here. Now this is a simple form. On substituting the value, you can get directly here 3 plus 3. You can substitute the value direct. X equals to 3 here. 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6 is the solution of the function x square minus 9 x minus 3 at limit x tends to 0. Point is clear, student? So this is the way to solve the problems when you will face the problem on solving the limit problem 0 upon 0 or infinity upon infinity. Then you will get, on substituting the value directly in the given problem, in limit case 0 upon 0 or infinity upon infinity, then you will solve the problems with the help of L'Hopital rule. And after this, in second problem, we will try this same rule on this equation. Like what we will do, limit x tends to pi by 4. You can check here. Here again you will see a square minus b square format. So what you will do here, you will substitute here the formula a square minus b square a plus b, a minus b, and you will write here cos x minus sin x, and after that cos x plus sin x over cos x minus sin x, and after cancellation these two, you will get the formula, you will get the final solution cos x plus sin x. And after that you can substitute the value of x equals to pi by 4 directly on this. Pi by 4 plus sin pi by 4, and cos pi by 4, you know that it is 1 by root 2, sin pi by 4 1 by root 2, taking common 1 root 2 here, you will get 1 plus 1 2 by root 2. After cancellation these two, you will get 2 root 2. So here you can say that limit x tends to pi by 4 cos square x minus sin square x upon cos x minus sin x equals to root 2. So this is the solution of this function at limit x tends to pi by 4 with the help of L'Hopital rule. Now student, these are some questions for your practice. So you can solve the questions in your home. Try to solve it.